The Celestron Deluxe handheld digital microscope comes in the patch test kit case when new. It is a sensitive piece of optical electronics and should not be stored in the kit once the kit is in use. Contamination and damage to the electronics are likely in the portable patch test kit case containing solvent and fluid samples. This kit is designed to be a reference tool and should not be used to set defined ISO codes. Identifying the equipment inside the PTK-1. The carrying case. The stainless steel sample funnel. The vacuum pump. The sample bottles. The solvent dispenser and filters. The digital microscope. The filter patches and filter patch covers. The filter patch forceps. The patch test booklet. The permanent marker. The sample processing assembly. Starting with the sample bottle for waste and vacuum pump, insert the waste bottle into the vacuum pump and secure. Next, obtain the plastic patch keeper and the lower portion of the funnel assembly. Place the patch keeper on the top of the lower portion of the funnel assembly. Obtain the upper portion of the funnel assembly and secure. Once assembled, insert the sample funnel tube into the vacuum pump O-ring to form the sample processing assembly. Tighten the vacuum pump O-ring on the top of the sample funnel assembly tube by turning the aluminum locking device located atop the vacuum pump. The solvent dispenser. Start by removing the included cap atop the solvent dispenser. Fill the solvent dispenser to desired level. Please note that mineral spirits are the most commonly used solvent. Once filled, install the dispensing tube into the solvent dispenser by inserting the tube into the dispenser, and secure by manipulating the base of the dispenser. Obtain the solvent filter and install, ensuring to press the solvent filter securely onto the dispensing tube. Rinsing the sample funnel. Use the solvent dispensing assembly to rinse the sample funnel assembly to remove any background contamination. Please note that there should be no patch installed in the sample funnel assembly before rinsing. Installing the filter patch. Separate the sample funnel from the patch supporter and install a single filter patch with the ink grid facing up. Please note that some filter patches will not have an ink grid. Reattach the sample funnel to the patch supporter, ensuring that the two pieces are properly secure. Preparing the sample. Start by agitating the sample fluid bottle by vigorously shaking the sample fluid for approximately 15 seconds. After agitation, pour 25 milliliters of sample fluid or enough fluid to fill the sample funnel to the first line closest to the patch. Pulling the sample. Grasping the vacuum pump firmly, pull the handle slowly to the rear. This process may have to be repeated due to the viscosity of the sample. Note that you will feel resistance as the sample is pulled through the patch. Rinsing the funnel. Once the entire sample has passed through the patch, rinse the funnel with filtered solvent and draw through the patch by again grasping the vacuum pump firmly and pulling the handle slowly to the rear. Continue to pull air through until the patch starts to dry. Obtaining the patch. Separate the funnel from the patch supporter and remove the patch with forceps. Place the sample with the dirty side facing up onto a clean sample reference card and cover it immediately with a plastic laminate patch cover. For questions about this product or any of our other products or topics, please reach out to us at info@hyprofiltration.com. For information about our products and services, please visit us at www.hyprofiltration.com. Please lubricate responsibly.